Let's make a creamy spinach and mushroom chicken that's a 10 out of 10 every time. First up, you're going to need the following seasonings: garlic, thyme, rosemary, and pepper. Put this all into a small bowl and mix together. Place the chicken in a freezer bag, and you want to add the following to the bag: lemon juice and salt. Seal back up the bag, and you're going to get that marinated and mushed all together and allow it to marinate for about 10 to 30 minutes. Then you're going to add a tablespoon of oil and heat it up in a skillet and add your chicken. And in that small bowl, you're going to add all the seasonings on top of the chicken. Now we're going to add the creamy sauce. Add your heavy cream and your Parmesan cheese and stir until melted. Then we're going to go ahead and add the spinach and get it going until it cooks down into almost nothing. Make sure you keep stirring as it's cooking so everything gets mixed together and cooks evenly. Then you're going to add the mushrooms and the nutmeg and keep cooking it until the sauce thickens. Once that sauce has thickened, we're going to go ahead and add back the chicken breast, and we're going to put each one in there and cook it just a little bit more so the sauce gets nice and coated on the chicken. Once you get all the pieces of chicken back into the pan with the sauce, you're just going to go ahead and coat it, whether it's just putting the sauce on top of it, or you can just flip it around and make sure that each chicken is coated with the sauce completely. Once each piece of chicken is coated with the sauce, you want to go ahead and prepare the final step, which is just adding a little bit more of the Parmesan cheese on top, and you can add as much as you want. You can also garnish it with fresh parsley if you like to as well. This is a dinner that everybody will love. It's also low carb, and I will put the full recipe with the link in comments. Enjoy!